everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you to log into your HelloFresh account. To log in, first of all, open your browser you have in your device. Then, on the searching bar, search for hellofresh.com. Now, you are on the official website of HelloFresh. Then, on the top right corner, you will see an option of login. Hit on that. Now, here are different ways through which you can log into HelloFresh account. You can either sign in with your Google, log in with Apple, or log in with Facebook. Or you can also add your email address and then password and hit on the login. So, in this very easy step, you can easily log into your account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.